Hey guys, so we are here at Walnut Mill Lofts in Phoenixville. This is our staged unit at this apartment complex that me and Roman have been working on for the last year and a half. So it's very exciting to see it finished like this and furnished and, you know, clean. And I'm very, very excited to share this with you guys. So we have this entrance and it goes right into the living room. We have a few different layouts in this building. This was one of my favorite because you have the two different bedrooms on both sides, and we did mention that the last time we were filming here, except none of this was here. So here we have our cute little living room. I wanted to give it a warm feeling and, you know, kind of just inviting and exciting. So when someone walks in here, they're like, oh wow, this is super cute. So I kind of incorporated the rustic and industrial styles in here, but still gave it a very homey look and wanted to add some animalistic, jungly vibes. Just like I said, to make it feel homey and cute. I love it. And so far, this is definitely my favorite model house yet. So we have these fun cowhide wooden chairs that I found on Wayfair. So a lot of the stuff you'll see here is either Wayfair or Home Goods or At Home or HomeSense. You know, it's all the bargain buys, but together makes it a complete and beautiful home. So this is where the TV area is, this fun console, which I got at home. And that's the store, not at my house, but the actual store is called At Home. And then the cute little accessories to make it feel very homey. And then I like to mix metals, so I had the silver metal and the gold metal put together on top of the wood. And I feel like it gave it this elegant yet still industrial rustic vibe. And then our faux leather couch. I felt this color looks really good with the exposed brick because it kind of brings out the color in the exposed brick, but I also loved mixing it with the black and white textured and just patterned, you know, pillows, and then the furry pillows for the texture, and they have this like brown color which brings in the wood in the table and in the cow high chairs. And then we have our cute little table. This table can sit up to 6 people, so you definitely have enough space, and you could always put a bigger table in this unit. This is what I chose, and I still have this elegant yet industrial rustic vibe. I love the kitchen in here. We have the matte black flat cabinets, and then we have the brass hardware and the Calcutta quartz top. So I think the combination of the oak floor and the black and the gold and the white just like looks so pretty. And then in here you have bathroom. You guys saw this last time when it wasn't finished. And you already saw, I think, the doors. Now, you know, with all the staging in it, I think it looks much more complete. So these doors we actually sell from R&R Homes. They are a great door. It's super smooth. And this black grid, I think, just gives it such a fun vibe and, you know, something different and new and modern compared to just like a regular glass door. And then we put a subway tile that has like a beveled edge, so it has a texture to it going vertically. And then we have the hexagon black tiles with the white grout, so it gives it a huge and beautiful contrast. So we did that going up the wall and on the floor. And then on this floor we have this really fun patterned beige and white floor. And then we topped it off with a navy blue vanity and matching mirror. And we still continued with the black hardware. We have the black handles everywhere, and then the towel rods and the toilet paper rod. It kind of looks like a pipe, so it gives it that fun industrial vibe. And then I found this really fun industrial side table at Home Goods. All right, let's continue. So I actually bought this picture at a flea market for 20 bucks, so I think it was a great buy. Sometimes you just gotta go and check out flea markets to get, you know, some fun, inexpensive, yet memorable items. This you know, the whole zebra vibe matches my whole cowhide vibe. Anyway, so come in here, this is one of the bedrooms. So this furniture, the side tables, and the dresser I got from Bob's Furniture, and then I bought the bed on Wayfair. And all of the accessories you see are either from Home Goods or Home Sense. I did really good with the little pieces. It looks homey in here, you know? Let's go to the second bedroom. You have this whole wall with the exposed brick and the big windows, and they have like an arched trim on them with the black grid, which matches that black grid in the shower doors, which I think is really cool. And then we have the exposed ductwork and the beams that we also painted black. And the trim around the doors are also black. So I just feel like it just looks super cool, modern. And then this is the second room. I absolutely love this room. Again, you still have the exposed brick in here, the exposed ductwork, and you know, you can do so much with the furniture. This is what I chose to do. I found this really fun. This felt very industrial to me as well. This was from Bob's Furniture. And it has this like little door that rides open like a barn door. And then of course you can have your TV in here. You have enough room for the side tables, and then you have your own, there's two big closets that have like organizers in there, which definitely, you know, is useful for anyone that has clothes. And then in here is the bathroom, which this one is just like the bathtub. So you got to put like a rod in here with a shower curtain. And then we have the patterned black and white floor. We chose to do a white vanity and the white mirror. And then we added the very industrial light fixtures. And that's super cheap from Amazon, but works great and looks great. So not cheap, let's say inexpensive. And then we, you know, there was this little nook in this particular bathroom. So I decided to put the hamper there and like a little mirror, but really you can put more extra like storage space, maybe shelving, you know, whatever it is that you may need if you were to rent from R&R Homes / Omega Home Builders. So that is the tour of the model house. I will show you guys also the hallways and the lobby area. I do want to show you another unit that I really love the kitchen in. Oh, these walls will have a really fun wallpaper, so I'm really excited to get that installed in a couple weeks. I just wanted this place to be like super fun, funky, modern, but you know, still show the historical aspects. And you'll see how I incorporate that with the wallpaper. So this unit is very special. I think we have a few of these that have actually an island in the kitchen, so you don't necessarily need to have a dining room table, because you could just use this as your table. And this is a wooden island, so you could potentially cut your food and things and use this as your board. I mean, I wouldn't suggest it, because then there will be like, you know, knife cuts and things, but you could. But again, it just looks really cool, and it gives it a little bit of dimension from the quartz countertop. We continued this matte black cabinets and the gold hardware in all of the kitchens, and I think it looks really nice with the oak floor and the exposed brick. But we definitely have like a lot of, you know, space in the kitchen. There's cabinets there's drawers and cabinets even in the island. Everything is soft close. So you definitely have a lot of space. Again, we have our fun shower door in here. We don't have the mirror installed yet. And then there's 2 bedrooms, and I think this bedroom probably has, yep, the bath. So it's not finished yet. So this is the main entrance into the building. So you come in and you have our fun tile. Again, the patterned black and white tile. I think it looks so cool in here. And up on the step, we have that wooden oak floor. And then we still have one wall with the exposed brick. And then the other wall, which you guys saw a video of me and Todd doing it by hand. We were torching the wood pallets. So we just got wood pallets and we just broke them apart, torched them, and then screwed them into the wall. I think this looks so fun, and the fact that we custom made it makes it even more interesting. And then these walls on the side, well, kind of actually all these three walls will have wallpaper. So this wall and the opposite wall is gonna have this really fun, it's like almost like old letters or like newspapers, like kind of piled on top of each other. That's what it looks like. And then on that wall, it's gonna be like a white brick wall. And then I'm gonna do 2 sitting areas. So like if somebody is waiting for one of their friends or whatever, you can actually chill over here. So I'm gonna do a little bit of couches and then maybe like chairs and a rug and a coffee table over here. I think that's gonna look super cute once it's finished. Oh, and we also have our Amazon box area. So if you live here and you have a shipment from Amazon, I'm not exactly sure how this works yet, but I'm pretty sure you like scan it or type in your address or whatever, and then one of these boxes opens and your package will be in here. But yeah, this place is definitely coming together. It has been a work in progress. There has been a lot of issues throughout the construction process, but that's in any business and in any project that you build, you will fall into issues. I think that we have handled them as best we can, and I'm really excited to complete it and actually have people move into it and move on to the next project. And now I know that we learned so much doing this project, so I'm excited for the next one. If you are interested in renting with us, go to www.walnutmilllofts.com.